Hey everyone, Patrick Langhans, Cross Country Mortgage here. It's your weekly lending update. Hey, we get some relief from the Fed and from the jobs reports, and rates have been moving down the last few days. This is really, really good news because the prior 4 weeks were pretty bad. We are not quite to the sixes yet, but we have seen a ton of relief the last few days, which is good. Hopefully that continues. The Federal Reserve did not increase their rate on Wednesday. They did indicate that they're not expecting to raise it in the coming months. The big question for interest rates is, when is it going to lower? Earliest projections of when the Federal Reserve will lower rates is September. Now I want to point something out. The Federal Reserve did not change their rate, but over the past 3 days since Wednesday when they announced that, mortgage rates have fallen. So the Federal Reserve is not a direct impact on mortgage rates, but what they say about the economy, what they say about inflation, what they say they're going to do changes rates. So they say something, they change the rates, or maybe they don't, and that affects the mortgage rate market and moves it up or down. Okay, so just wanted to point that out. Hey, I want to talk about portfolio loan programs right now. We have done 7 in the last 2 months. These are loans that other lenders said they couldn't get done. So a portfolio loan program is a loan that we do based on a common sense analysis. So it doesn't have to fall into Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, conventional, FHA, VA, or jumbo guidelines. We're making an exception to those rules because we believe the client is very well qualified. So self-employed people, we do a lot of these programs for self-employed people because when a self-employed person does their taxes, they're taking every write-off possible to avoid a high tax bill, but then that makes their qualifying income look low. So we do bank statement loans. We do no income loans. If a client has a lot of money but no monthly income, we can look at their assets and say, hey, this client has a lot of money. They're a good buyer. Non-mortgable condos, condotels. These last 7 loans in the last 2 months equated to $10 million in purchase volume. So just think about that. $10 million in purchase volume closed when another lender said they couldn't do it. So here's what I'd tell you. If you have a client say, hey, I can't buy a home, I won't qualify, or another lender tells you though they won't qualify, at least give me a call so we can talk about the scenario and see if we think there's a chance to get them into one of our portfolio programs. Hope you have a great weekend. We are available. We can still close loans in May. So if you need a quick contract, call a listing agent, get someone pre-approved who hadn't and wants to make an offer, give me a ring. Thanks.